Are you open to an exciting, interactive, yet challenging game? Well, this video is meant for you. Hi, I am Diana April Drama and welcome to Connect 4. Aside from being user-friendly and a stress reliever, this game will challenge your determination to block the space of your opponent. And to win the game, you will only connect your pieces either diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. Your focus is to check what move you will make to connect consecutive 4 without your opponent blocking you. But why would you play this game? It's entertaining, complex, and won't make you bored. I have here 3 radio buttons for the game modes, text browser for displaying the opponent's turn, and push buttons for the rules and play again. You just have to select the game mode first and the game will start. The game won't stop until there is a declared winner. And to reset the game or choose another game mode, just click the play again button. Aside from the twist of having 3 game modes, where the 2 game modes have a 7x6 default board with different opponents, I have this game mode called Dynamic Board. This game mode has 100 combinations and layout. You just have to select from 6 to 15 rows and columns that you prefer for the board size. Note that in combo packs, what you select for the columns and rows will display on the screen dynamically generates the board. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's try to play again and select another columns and row based on my preferred board size. How about the way this game marks the board? As you can see, the push buttons below the board represent the column number. You just have to click on the column in which you will place your turn, and your piece will drop through gravity. Now, let's try to occupy the space of a column and see what happens. This game has open error handling. The interface prevents user error, which decreases having extra clicks. Once the column is full, the buttons for that column is disabled. There's no pop-up, it depends on clicks user, which is good. Since there is no declared winner in the beginning, the first player is you and you represent the red color. And I also present the checking of opponent's move. After your turn, you will see which column your opponent moved. Again, I am just a beginner and my future innovation was to add AI to make my game more complex and add more features. That's it. Hope you like my game.